Welcome to Fitness Flix. Are you ready to build the peachiest, most head-turning, and jaw-dropping bubble butt you've ever had? You're in the right place. Today, we're unveiling the ultimate booty-building glute workout, featuring 5 powerhouse exercises designed to sculpt and grow your glutes to perfection. But wait, if you're here for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We've got tons of exclusive workouts, nutrition tips, and more to help you achieve your fitness goals. Join our community and let's work on those glute goals together. Get ready to sweat, feel the burn, and unlock your full potential. It's time to grow your bubble butt and transform your life. Let's dive into the workout you've been waiting for. Subscribe now and let's get started.
3, 2, 1, fight!
Thanks for watching, and let's get those glutes into gear.